guys are. I hope you guys are doing really great in your life. Today I have came up here to talk about a newly launched hair product. Like, you guys always ask me about my hair, what I do to my hair. Let me tell you once again that I don't do so much to my hair, but there are some particular product which I use, which include this one also. And this product is added to my hair care routine recently, and ever since I got it, I have been loving this product. Like, I've been seeing many international bloggers trying this product, and it was not available in India, and I was like, I need to try this, because by seeing the product only now, it's so luxurious that I always wanted to try this one. But finally it is launched in India, and the product is none other than by L'Oreal Paris, and it's their extraordinary oil serum, which is, the name is very interesting. It's like a oil but a serum, and it's not oily and whatnot. So let's just talk about the packaging a little bit firstly. So it comes in a golden black sort of a packaging, cardboard packaging, but it looks really amazing and luxurious. And at the back of the packaging, every details, the claim of the product, the price, the name, and how to use of the product, everything is explained over here. Inside, the packaging looks something like this. It comes in a glass bottle like this and has a pump over here, is, as you can see. For a product like this which has a pump in it, you have zero wastage of product, which is so good, and you have control over how much product you're going to use on your hair. At the back of the bottle, you can see some of the ways that you can use this product on yourself is written up here, and it is for all hair type, as you can see. So coming to the texture of the product, it is very lightweight and has a non-greasy texture to it, even though it says that it is oil serum, but it is not oily. The ingredient list of this beautiful product is really amazing. It is a combination of 6 rare flowers, which include rose, lotus, tiar, sunflower, chamomile, and flax. As you can see here, they have written that it's for all hair type. Now coming to my hair type, if you guys are following me for so long, you know I have straight hair like this, and at the bottom of my hair I have little wave out here, as you can see. And the nature of my hair is little sensitive, so I am very much picky about choosing a hair product, because I have naturally very good hair. But then when I moved from here to Guwahati, the weather didn't suit me so well, so उसके बाद ना मेरा hair थोड़ा सा फ्रीजी होने लगा. फिर जब मैं गुवाहाटी से फिर तेजपुर में मैंने शिफ्टिंग की, तेजपुर यूनिवर्सिटी का जो पानी है वो शायद मेरे hair के साथ इतना सूट नहीं किया. Nowadays my major concern regarding my hair is that the frizziness that I have. वहाँ पे जाने के बाद मेरा हेयर थोड़ा सा ड्राई एंड फ्रीजी हो गया, उसके बाद से वो ठीक हो ही नहीं रहे हैं. एंड सेकेंडली, टैंगल हो जाते हैं हेयर. पहले मेरा हेयर ऐसा नहीं था. सो दीज आर द टू थिंग्स दैट आई मोस्टली फेस nowadays. So there are so many ways of using this product ना, that is why मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Like, it is a first serum, मतलब जिसको ना बहुत तरीके से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. There are serum which you can use only like as a serum, but this product, no, you can use it multiple ways. Like, you can use it to control your frizz, you can use it like blow dry करने से पहले, you can use it as a heat protectant, you can use it as an overnight treatment, you can use it as a DIY salon treatment, and many more. There are 12 different ways of using this product, so which makes this product so amazing, because it's so much more than just being a serum. So as I told you, you can use this product in so many different ways. Let me show you a way that I really like to use this product as. So I usually like to use this to control my frizz and detangle my hair. As you can see, what I usually do is to take 3 pumps of this product. Depending on the length, you can decrease and increase the product amount, and then I just spread well onto my hands, as you can see, and it is really non-greasy and non-oily formula, which is so amazing. And I usually like to apply it from the mid length of my hair to the tip, leaving the scalp area. I don't apply the product into the scalp, and it just nourishes and makes my hair looks more manageable, and it keeps it that way for a really long time. You can also see the before and after effect of me applying the product. Before applying the product, I really had frizzy and unmanageable hair. You can see the difference for yourself. As I told you that helps in managing your hair, like you definitely need to know how this product performs and the longevity of the product, and for that I have taken some shot in intervals. I've taken the shot in 3 intervals, 2 hours, 6 hours and 8 hours of applying the product, and you can see the difference for yourself, and still I don't have tangle in any one of them. Now as you can see how the product performs and the longevity of the product. Now let me tell you another way. So I really like to use this product as a heat protectant. As you can see, it suggests that you can use it as a heat protectant as well. So what I do, I generally like to take 2 pumps of this product and then apply it and spread it well, just like before, like starting from the middle and to the tips. After applying that, I just run my straightener, curler, whatever you want. You can run it and voila, you can protect your hair from heat damage just by using 2 pumps of this product, and it can protect up to 230 degrees Celsius. Can you even imagine that? So you can see the before and after of this straightening process. It makes the straightening process so easy and it makes the hair look so amazing, just like a shampoo ad. I'm now coming to my final thoughts. If I have to tell you, it is for all hair type. But if you have curly hair, like very curly hair, this product will be a best friend for you. And आपको पता है ये वाला जो product है ना, आपके जो hair like खराब होने का या फिर damage होने का 4 main factors है ना, उनके साथ fight करता है. So the very first factor जो है आपके hair को जो damage कर सकता है वो है humidity. Like humidity की वजह से आपके hair frizzy हो जाते हैं, डैमेज हो जाते हैं. So it cuts all the frizziness and damages and protect your hair up to 87%. And the second factor that can damage your hair is UV rays. Like आप जब कभी भी sun के exposure में जाते हो, not only your skin, your hair can also be damaged. It protects your hair from the UV rays up to 43%. So the third factor that it can protect your hair from is heat. It protects your hair from heat up to 230 degrees Celsius, which again so good. And the fourth factor that may damage your hair is friction. So friction की वजह से ना you get more breakage in the hair. So ये जो है ना 98% तक friction से protect करता है आपके hair को, so that आपका जो hair fall है वो थोड़ा सा कम हो breakage की वजह से, which is so good. So you can also use this product in chemically treated hair as well. अगर मैं मेरी बात करूँ ना, जब से मैंने इसको यूज़ किया है मुझे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. I am totally in love with this product and I've already recommended this product to my family. Like my auntie also uses it and she loves it, especially because of the smell. This product retails for $499, which is $500, and you get 100 ml of product in this bottle, which will be going very long way because you only need 1 to 2 pumps. And in case if you want to check this product out, the link will be in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So I hope you guys liked this video and it was informative enough. If it really was, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more of such content, and give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment down below. And I will be seeing you guys with more tutorial, video, review and a lot of more things in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.